Struggling to add a client's page on Namecheap? I will show you exactly where to click so you can showcase your work in under 5 minutes. First, open your site in the Namecheap builder. Then follow these simple steps to add and customize your client section. So to get started, you want to head over to your Namecheap dashboard and open the website builder for the site you are working on. This is where you will be spending your time, so just go ahead and click that edit button or launch the editor for your specific project. You will see your website just as it looks live, but now we have the power to change things. This is the control center. Now look for the Add More Content button. It is usually sitting there waiting for you somewhere on the page. You might see it as a plus sign or a button that literally says Add More Content. The reason we start here is that this is how you unlock new sections for your page. You are not editing what is already there. You are telling the builder, hey, I want a brand new block of information right here. From the content options that pop up, choose Clients. This is the one we want. It is usually listed right there with a little icon next to it. When you click on it, the builder will show you a few different layout options for how you want your clients to look. You might see a grid, a list, or a carousel. Do not overthink this. You can always change the style later. Just pick the one that feels right for your brand. Next, click on Clients again to add the section to your page. This might feel a little redundant, but this second click is what actually places the section onto your website. You will see it appear right where your cursor was. And here is the really important part. This is where your hands-on experience with the editor pays off. You can now see a placeholder for your first client. Maybe it has a generic logo or a fake name. That is totally normal. This is just the template waiting for your real content. To add more clients, click Add Another Client. This will duplicate the box or the card you just filled in, giving you a fresh slot for a second client, a third client, or as many as you need. Do not be shy here. Even if you only have 2 or 3 great clients right now, putting them up there shows new visitors that you are trusted and you deliver results. It builds that instant credibility. Finally, click Continue to finish adding. This saves your work and locks in that section. Your new clients page is now part of your live site. From here, you can drag it up or down to reorder it on the page, or you can click into each client card to swap out the logo and the name. And that is it. You have gone from having nothing to having a professional section that shows off who you work with. That is a big step, and it makes your site feel way more complete.